Chronic stress is the #1 reason why people get sick. And while much of what happens to us is out of our control, how we react is. So today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to build you up so that you have the best resilience and the best outcome possible. Hello, I'm Sheridan Genrich, a clinical nutritionist and naturopath practicing for over 10 years. Welcome to Health by Nature. To better handle chronic stress, we should first look at where the stress is coming from. So our bodies can't tell the difference between real or perceived threats. The nervous system and hormonal response is the same. It's usually an accumulation of several factors that create the perfect storm. We've got environmental, our genetics, and our biology all playing a role together. So long-term stress wreaks havoc on all our hormones, and this depletes us of essential minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium, which play a role in hundreds of different conversions in our bodies. Whatever the source of your chronic stress is, then the body's cells will need certain nutrients, and removing the obvious triggers to help function better, and you can have the best outcome and behaviors. You see, when we get really stressed out, our sympathetic nervous system, which is our fight and flight response, gets activated. That then means that the parasympathetic, which is the other arm, is shut down. So that's our rest and digest ability. It then means that we don't absorb the nutrients from our foods or even absorb the supplementation that we have as well. And we don't then sleep as well either. You probably have personal experience with this. So what should we do about it? First, I encourage you to sit down when you're about to eat and connect with your breath. At least become aware of any deep breaths that you can do, even in a few seconds. Then focus on getting good amounts of adequate protein in your day, in your diet, and good quality plants. So lots of green leafy vegetables and non-starchy veggies is great. Then looking at your omega-3s, which would be wild-caught salmon and sardines. If you don't eat fish, then I encourage you to look at a daily omega-3 supplement. That's going to keep inflammation at bay as well. And also the amount of caffeine that you have in your day is also really important to just check in with. That's going to help not produce excess adrenaline. These tips are foundational, and the reason they are is because essential amino acids and essential fats are given the name essential because we need to obtain them from our diet. Our bodies can't thrive and produce the right brain chemicals without them. So our daily behaviors result from these neurotransmitters, and keeping inflammation at bay is the role of the omega-3s. Start with getting these basics right, and in future videos I'll share more with you on how you can build up and have the best resilience possible. If you've liked this video, please subscribe, hit like, and share with someone you know. Until next time, be well naturally.